Hi, this is Alex from Beach Hill Garage. On offer we've got this stunning MGB GT, finished in I think it's X-Power Grey. Car's been fully restored by CTHL up in Hull. Restored to owner specification, hence the colour. As you can see, it's sat on a set of mini light style wheels, shod with new tyres. As you'd expect, the bodywork, despite having been restored a couple of years ago now, is extremely tidy. So the colour really suits the car. Starts easily from cold, idles nicely. Drove very well on road test. Good slick overdrive action. Really does present very well. Most of the components were either new or refurbished at the time, so engine bumpers, grill and so on are all in really good condition. Probably the biggest feature of the car is the interior. As you can see, it's been trimmed in grey charcoal leather with this grey plating. Just looks very attractive. Really high quality set of carpets, really well fitted. Nice period leather rim build. Looks like it had a new headlining at the same time. All the trim is really spot on. The car is now warm. You can see the oil pressure's all good. So all in all, a really nice example, available for much less than the restoration costs. Any questions at all, please do get in contact with us at Beach Hill Garage. Thanks for watching.